We did it. Could this place be haunted? Oh my God, I hear something. I just heard someone laughing. Hey, fuck you, I don't think it's funny. You gotta show these ghosts. You gotta let them know who's boss. He thinks it's funny. Yeah? Well, show me one news article where someone was killed by it. Ah, this place is a hellhole. Time. Needles and pins. Yeah. They did something with them. Oh, they were probably like poking those into like graphs, like showing how bad they were doing. And what is this? It says Trojan Bond. So I guess that was like in case you were too small, and this kept it on, prevented it from slipping off. Trojan Bond. Yeah. That's what that's probably for. I don't have that problem. I swear. Ah, look at this. These are vintage too. Why are these here? Maybe because the place was built in the 20s. See it? Vintage box of pencils. And then in here there's like a smorgasbord of magic markers. All kinds of magic markers. Staples. Look at this. There's like cases of unused staples. Ah, that's an old one. Look at this one. Arrow. That's a vintage. Oh, they all are. There's like a case of like vintage staples from like probably the 50s. Here's some kind of a dictaphone, it's called. Dictaphone. Here it is. Slip-on label holders. They're vintage too. They're from like easily the early 60s. Some kind of CRT cleaner. Pencils. Another shelf. There's too many shelves. I'd love to show you every single thing in here, but it would take too long. And a lot of this stuff is like soaking wet. So I'd love to see this place in the rain. Maybe I'll come here during the rain. Looks pretty dry up there. But that's not even a fraction of this place. So, what is this? Look at this book. I mean, that's like 3 phone books connected. It's got to be 2 feet long. I don't even know what kind of book it is. It's just computer paper. A memento from a cleanup site. Where's this go? This goes to some stairs. Oh, what's this? Another room. There's a room right here. Says say it. SM board, STDS. That's what the wall's made of. Some kind of PY Pi bar, U.S. Patent Office. Check that out. General Electric light bulbs, 75 watt. Still has the bulb. What are these? Nothing. Goes all the way in, too. Some kind of machine. Ooh, man, you know, you need a mask. You need a mask in this place. Fire extinguisher. Fire King. Won't even open. Ceiling hanging. It's a hole in the wall. Sharon Brown. Deposition. Cool. Court papers. This place has so many different rooms and compartments. So this place is probably abandoned like about maybe probably 20 years, about 20 full years. I mean, ooh, the smell of mold. Oh, cool. A safe. Look at this. There's the safe. This is where they kept everything. Like I'm really gonna find anything of value. Highly unlikely. I can't even open them. What's in this one? I'm just gonna reach the camera in. I can't really see anything. Well, if we see anything, we'll have to come back when we upload the video. Wish I could show you it better, but no, I'm only kidding. That was mine. I was gonna play a trick. I like this safe though. I'm not even gonna open it. Look. It's asbestos, like right on top of it. That's inside it. Here's the combination. I don't know what these are. There's another one. They're tapes. Tape reels. Reel to reels. From like the old time computers. Yep, keys are in it. Well, what is it open? Oh, wow. Looks valuable. Let's see what it is. I can't even get it out. It's heavy, whatever it is. It's a big machine, old computer. It says data tell. See? Any computer experts out there? Data tell. D-A-T-A-T-E-L. Data tell. There's a whole bunch of them. There's some kind of like a switchboard. All these computer terminals hooked up to it. It looks very expensive in its time, yeah. Can't even open it. This is the front. It says, that's what it says. Case DCX open line. Whatever it did, I do not know. Map mode, data entry. And you know, every room is going to be like this, and I can't even travel. I can't even walk on that. All right, that's it on this video. Stay tuned for more on this place, because this place just can't be passed up. Signing out in Kearney, New Jersey.